Hello students, today in this video we are going to solve question number 8, 11 and 13 from exercise of chapter 9. I request all of you to copy down these questions in your notebook. Question number 8. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kg. What must be the force between the vehicle and the road if the vehicle is to be stopped with a negative acceleration of 1.7 meter per second square? Here the acceleration is negative because the vehicle moves on the road in this direction and the road offers the frictional force in the opposite direction. That is why it is negative acceleration. So here mass of the automobile m is equal to 1500 kg. Final velocity v is equal to 0 meter per second. Why? Because the vehicle stops and the acceleration of the automobile is a equal to 1.7 meter per second square. Here it is minus. So according to the Newton's second law of motion, we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration, and mass is 1500 into acceleration is minus 1.7. So if you multiply these two, you will get minus 2550 Newton. Hence, the force between the automobile and the road is minus 2550 Newton in opposite direction to the motion of automobile. Question number 11. Here, two objects M1, M2 of mass 1.5 kg each. They are moving in a straight line with a velocity v1 and v2, that is 2.5 meter per second each. 2.5 meter per second. So they are moving in a straight line but in opposite direction, and after some time they collide each other, and during that collision they stick together. So here in this question we are supposed to find out the velocity of the combined object. So here mass of one of the object m1 is 1.5, we know that, and mass of the other object is also 1.5, and the velocity of the first object is 2.5 meter per second, and velocity of the other object is also 2.5, but this one will be in minus because it is moving in the opposite direction. So after the collision, the two objects stick together. So the total mass of the combined object is equal to m1 plus m2. So the velocity of the combined object be v, and according to the law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. So let us take the total momentum before the collision. So before the collision, the momentum of the first object is m1 into v1 plus the momentum of the second object is m2 into v2 is equal to total momentum after collision. So the total momentum of the combined object is m1 plus m2, and the velocity of the combined object is v. So let us put the values here. m1 is equal to 1.5 into v1, velocity is 2.5, plus m2 is 1.5 again into velocity of the second object is minus 2.5 is equal to m1 is 1.5 plus m2 is also 1.5 into v. If you multiply these two, you will get 3.75 minus 3.75 is equal to, if you add these two, then you will get 3, and if you multiply into v, it is 3v. So on subtracting these two, you will get 0 and 3v. On rearranging the sides, 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the velocity of the combined object after collision is 0 meter per second. Question number 13. So here we have a hockey ball of mass 200 gram traveling with a velocity of 10 meter per second and strikes the hockey stick and strikes back in the opposite direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So here we are going to calculate the change in the momentum. Mass of the hockey ball M is equal to 200 gram. If we convert it into kg, then we will get 0.2 kg. Velocity of the hockey ball V1 is equal to 10 meter per second. Initial momentum is equal to m into V1. Now, velocity of the hockey ball in opposite direction after striking V2 is equal to 5 meter per second. Here we will put minus sign because it is traveling in the opposite direction. Final momentum is equal to m into V2. So, change in momentum is equal to initial momentum minus the final momentum. So, we can take m as common, put V1 and V2 in a bracket, V1 minus V2. So, the value of m is 0.2. The value of V1 is 10 minus value of V2 is minus 5. So, put in bracket 0.2 minus minus will become plus. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. If you multiply this two, you will get 3 kg meter per second. So this is the change in momentum.